cicada apocalypse be like?
Yeah.
Hello. There are okay. This is literally all cicada shells. I think we're dealing with something really bad right now. It's a literal apocalypse. Look, let's go over here.
Wait,
what the heck? What is going on?
Do you hear that noise? That's the cicada.
The cicada, can you even hear them? I don't know. Yo, that is so stupid. Mother Nature. Yeah, these are real. They are not fake. These are, they're falling down. Oh, okay, I'm out, guys. Bye, subscribe, I'm out. I do not want a cicada in my hair. Bye, guys, peace out, subscribe.